From the big screen to the open road, Brad Pitt's passion for motorcycles is unmatched. These 7 badass bikes prove why he's Hollywood's ultimate king of cool. Brad Pitt's love affair with motorcycles started long before he became one of the biggest stars in Hollywood. Growing up in Missouri, Brad was drawn to the freedom and rebellion that motorcycles represented, a way to escape the ordinary and embrace adventure. One story Brad loves to share is from his early days in Los Angeles, before fame came knocking. He'd saved up just enough money to buy his first bike, a humble Honda CB 750. Brad would ride it through the winding canyons of Malibu, the roar of the engine drowning out his worries as he dreamed of making it big. He said those rides made him feel alive, free, and completely in the moment, a feeling he's chased ever since. Today, Brad's motorcycle collection is a reflection of that same spirit, filled with bikes that combine raw power, timeless style, and a sense of unfiltered adventure. Let's take a closer look at the 7 incredible rides that define his passion for the open road. Number 7. The Triumph Bonneville. Brad's collection wouldn't be complete without the Triumph Bonneville, a bike synonymous with style and rebellion. Known for its classic British design and smooth performance, the Bonneville is a timeless icon and a favorite of Brad's. He's often spotted riding his Bonneville through the streets of Los Angeles, pairing its sleek lines with his effortlessly cool style. The bike's history as a symbol of counterculture in the 1960s aligns perfectly with Brad's laid-back, adventurous personality. For Brad, the Bonneville isn't just a ride, it's a connection to a legacy of freedom and individuality. Number 6. The BMW R9T Scrambler. Brad's BMW R19 Scrambler perfectly balances rugged versatility with modern sophistication. With its knobby tires, high exhaust pipes, and minimalist design, it's built to handle everything from city streets to off-road trails. Brad loves this bike for its adaptability and its understated cool factor. He's been seen taking it on scenic rides along the Pacific Coast Highway, blending his love for adventure with the bike's undeniable charm. The R19 Scrambler isn't just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore. Number 5. The Indian Larry Custom Chopper. Brad's Indian Larry Custom Chopper is one of the most eye-catching bikes in his collection. Built by the legendary custom bike builder Indian Larry, this one-of-a-kind chopper features intricate detailing, an elongated frame, and a powerful engine that demands attention wherever it goes. Brad has spoken about his admiration for Indian Larry's artistry, calling the chopper a moving sculpture. This bike represents Brad's appreciation for craftsmanship and the bold individuality of custom builds. It's not just a bike, it's a piece of motorcycle history. Number 4. The Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. Few bikes carry as much history and swagger as the Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, and it's no surprise Brad Pitt has one in his collection. This iconic motorcycle, known for its revolutionary overhead valve engine and timeless design, is a favorite among collectors and riders alike. Brad's Knucklehead reflects his love for vintage motorcycles and the stories they tell. He's often said that riding a bike like this feels like stepping back in time, connecting him to the golden era of American motorcycling. With its roaring engine and classic lines, the Knucklehead is as bold and rebellious as Brad himself. Number 3. The Ducati Monster 1100S. When it comes to sleek, high-performance motorcycles, the Ducati Monster 1100S is a standout in Brad's collection. Known for its aggressive styling and incredible handling, this Italian beast is built for speed and precision. Brad's Monster 1100S is often his go-to bike for spirited rides through California's winding canyon roads. He's described it as a pure adrenaline rush on two wheels, embodying the perfect mix of raw power and style. For Brad, this bike is a reminder of why he fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. Number 2. The Zero Engineering Type 9. Brad's Zero Engineering Type 9 isn't just a bike, it's a work of minimalist art, built by the famed Japanese custom bike builders at Zero Engineering. This machine combines vintage aesthetics with modern engineering. Its rigid frame, Springer front end, and minimalist design give it a raw, stripped-down look that's impossible to ignore. Brad has praised the craftsmanship of Zero Engineering, calling the Type 9 a masterpiece of simplicity. This bike embodies Brad's appreciation for timeless design and his desire for a pure, unfiltered riding experience. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an expression of artistry. Number 1. Icasa Titanium Series XX. At the top of the list is Brad Pitt's crown jewel, the Icasa Titanium Series XX. This bike isn't just rare, it's one of the most exclusive motorcycles in the world, with only a handful ever built. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and carbon fiber, it boasts a massive 2,409cc engine that delivers jaw-dropping power. Brad's Icasa isn't just about performance, it's about luxury and exclusivity. Priced at over $300,000, this bike represents the pinnacle of engineering and design. Brad has called it the ultimate ride, a machine that combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched craftsmanship. It's the perfect reflection of Brad's passion for pushing boundaries and living life at full throttle. What a ride! Brad Pitt's motorcycle collection isn't just a testament to his love for bikes. It's a celebration of speed, style, and individuality. From vintage icons to cutting-edge machines, each one of these 7 dream rides tells a story of rebellion, artistry, and the thrill of the open road. Brad's collection shows us that motorcycles aren't just transportation, they're freedom on two wheels. Whether it's the roar of a knucklehead engine or the sleek power of the Icasa Titanium Series XX, these bikes prove why Brad is the king of cool, both on screen and off. If these incredible machines left you wanting more, buckle up. There's a whole world of motorcycles and untold stories waiting for us. Until next time, chase the horizon, embrace the journey, and ride like every mile matters.